Good morning, Motostyle, and today we start turning your engine 9J244. All turning good, all compression complete. On the front all looks good, as you can see. I didn't see any damages. On this side all looks good, no damages. The windows looks good. I didn't see any water damage inside. And on the top all looks like so. On the back side all looks good, no damage, no broken. The gearbox looking good as well. On this side all looks like so. Alternator looking good, starter looking good as well. Underneath all looks good, no damages. Turning the engine 9J244. Thank you.